Now let us perform the Windows 10 installation as a VM. So in our case template is already there. So what we are going to do, we are going to say power on this system. So almost the installation is same whether it is Windows 2016 server or 10. Later in the end the options Windows 10 is going to ask for a little bit more options that we are going to look at. So now again it is going to ask for which language, that type of things. So we are waiting. Again we are language to install, currency, keyboard method. So we are going to say next. We are going to say install now. So again it is saying that starting. So it will ask for the formatting. So we will give the whole space to this. Then again when the installation will be progressing, we will pause the video. So we have to accept the licensing terms. We will install. We are going to click on next. So it has started copying the file, that getting ready files, installation which it is going to restart 2 or 3 times. So in our case we are going to wait for that. So we are going to pause the video now. So again we are resuming the recording. Now already it has installed 96%. Now it is going to install the features, then updates, and then it is going to reboot the system. That means 96%. Again when we are installing Windows, whether it is Windows 2016 server or 10, it is going to take some times. So still it is getting files ready for the installation. Now in the case of Windows 10, it takes little bit even more time than Windows 2016 server, because a lot of more settings are there, because this is a desktop operating system, and so it takes a little bit. We need to make a little bit more changes in this. So we are going to look at this. So again it is showing 97%. So we are waiting. Then it is going to say install features, install updates. Then it is going to say finish the setups. So a lot of time in again when we will install this, we will create the clone for that. So again it is taking a lot of resources and time also. So still it is at 97%. Then it is going to install features and other things. So we are waiting that to happen. 98%. So still we are waiting. Again it is going to say restart, and then again certain settings are there, and it will ask us to create the users also. In that case we are going to create one user, test user, and it is going to ask for some complex password. In our case we are going to give one password which is going to be the combination of caps letters, small letters, and then special character, and that type of things that we are going to do. So still it is taking time. So 98%. So according to the resources, like in our case, this time we have just given 2 GB RAM. When we were installing 2016 server, we have given 4 GB RAM. So it is recommended practice that during installation time you can give little bit more RAM, so that installation is fast. So it is now going to install the updates. Then it is going to say that we are finishing up the setups, so installing the updates. So currently, because we are not connected with the internet, so it is not going to take much time. So that means a lot of steps are involved, but very easy to install. Later on we will be seeing how to bring those systems into networking. So installing update section got completed. Now it is finishing up the settings. So we are waiting for that to happen. Now it is going to restart. So in our case, so because it is going to take time, so we are again going to pause the video. So we are resuming the recording. That means after few minutes you will get this type of screen, and now it is going to ask for certain things, mainly username and password that we are going to enter, which region you are. So in our case we are going to select India. So it is asking a lot more things than the 2016 server. So we are going to say yes. Second keyboard, no, skip. Connect to network, we are going to say skip. Username, we are going to say test user. Password, again we are going to give some complex password. It is going to ask for the confirmation. Password, we are just writing, that is, it is certain characters on the keyboard. Make no, we are going to say. So a lot of settings are, we are now disabling all these. So what it is saying, almost done now. We're just to get few. So it is just going to now start your. So it is taking a lot of time. We're just getting everything ready for you. Giving the message. Then blank screen for some time. Now it is saying it might take several minutes. So again, for few minutes we are going to pause the video. Let us resume the recording. So you are going to get this screen. So that means we have successfully installed the Windows 10. Now we can shut down the system. Then we are going to create the clones there. So we are going to shut down the system. That means we were successful in installing the Windows 10. Previously we have installed Windows 2016 and we have taken the clone of that. Again we are going to make the clone of Windows 10 also. Then we will bring these two systems into networking. Simple networking function we are going to perform. So it is going to shut down the system. Then after shutdown we are going to now it is in shutdown state. So now we will perform the cloning.